I believe that deep down we all have the capacity for love, compassion, and understanding. We are all connected, part of the same human family. It breaks my heart to see the senseless violence and destruction that plagues our world. But I refuse to give up hope. I refuse to believe that this is all there is, that we are doomed to repeat the mistakes of the past. We have the power to change, to create a better world for ourselves and for future generations. It starts with each and every one of us. We must look within ourselves and confront the darkness that resides there. We must acknowledge our own capacity for hatred and violence, and choose instead to embrace love and peace. We must stand together, united in our common humanity. We must reject the voices of division and fear, and instead listen to the voice of our own inner light. We must believe in the power of love to conquer all, to heal the wounds that divide us. I know it won't be easy. There are powerful forces at work in the world, forces that seek to keep us divided and afraid. But we must not give in to despair. We must hold fast to our belief in the goodness of humanity, in our ability to create a world of peace and harmony. So I urge you, my brothers and sisters, to wake up. Wake up to the truth of who you are, to the power that lies within you. Wake up to the beauty and abundance that surrounds us, to the potential for greatness that resides in each and every one of us. Together, we can stop the wars. Together, we can build a world where love and compassion reign supreme. Together, we can create a future that is bright and full of hope. It is up to us. The power is in our hands. Let us choose love over hate, peace over violence, unity over division. Let us stand together as one, united in our common humanity. The time for change is now. The time for peace is now. The time for love is now. Let us seize this moment and create a world that is worthy of our children and our children's children. We are power. We are one. We are earth. We are people. We are the heart of this planet. And together, we can change the world. I am not delusional. I know the truth of my pure heart. I do not listen to outside controlling voices to disturb my powerful mind. Do not be victims of evil hearts and minds. You or your family can become next target and be killed. I am right. Wars are terrible events in our lives. Wars are created. People feel scared and unsafe. Eliminating war completely is a complex challenge for all, but there are definitely steps we all can take to make a difference and promote peace. Here's how you can get involved. 1. Educate yourself. Understand the root causes of conflicts. Many wars stem from competition for resources, historical grievances, or political instability. Knowing the why can help you find solutions. Research peace-building organizations like the UN or NGOs working on conflict resolution. 2. Raise awareness. Talk to friends and family about the importance of peace. Share information about ongoing conflicts and peace efforts on social media. Be sure to use reliable sources. 3. Support peaceful solutions. Advocate for diplomacy and negotiation over violence. Look for organizations working on mediation or reconciliation in specific conflicts you care about. 4. Hold leaders accountable. Contact your elected officials and urge them to support peaceful solutions and diplomacy. Advocate for policies that reduce tensions and promote cooperation between nations. 5. Promote empathy and understanding. Learn about different cultures and perspectives. Challenge stereotypes and prejudices that can fuel conflict. Remember, every action, big or small, adds up. By working together, we can create a world where peace is the norm, not the exception. Here are some resources to get you started. The United Nations Peacebuilding Commission, www.un.org/peace mission. World Alliance for Citizen Participation, commonwealth.org/organizations Civicus World Alliance Citizenpation. Stay strong and know that you're not alone in wanting peace. Alas, the world is facing many challenges while we are all busy with our little things to survive.